Let's take a look now at a different type of test, namely the diagnostic test. If you click on the button called diagnostic, that will be a diagnostic test. And the first diagnostic test here is the area of a circle. Let's go and take a look at that. So if we click on the diagnostic test area of a circle, once again, you'll see what test type it is. It's diagnostic. You can then see what the areas are. And the areas that are covered in this particular test are area of a circle, calculate the area of the circle, find the diameter. And in this particular case, there are 7 questions. Let's go and click Start Test to see what happens. So in a diagnostic test, the first thing you'll notice is that there's a timer. So you've got a certain amount of time to complete these questions, and I can see it's running out. I've got about, is that 2 minutes or 2 hours? I hope it's 2 hours. So here's the question on the screen, and you'll also notice there's no lesson or solution, no hints. What you need to do is simply answer these questions one after the next, and you'll only get an analysis of your answers when you complete the test. So I'm going to go and answer these questions quickly. So I'm already on question 4. So we're just going to answer each question. Let's go all the way to question 7, and then we'll complete the test. So we've answered all the questions. We can preview our results. In the preview, we can see we've got 7 questions. We've answered 7 questions. We can go and finalize the test. When we finalize the test, we get our result. Our result, once again, we can see is 14%. We have 7 questions. Incorrect answers are 6. 1 is correct, and that's why we've got 14%. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, we've got that detailed analysis once again, where every skill that we did in this test is analyzed. So, for example, you can see that in finding the radius, we got 0%. Whereas in this one over here, which is identify the center of the circle, that is the only question we really got correct because our scores are 100% and our coverage is 100. All the others, we've done the question, but we've got them wrong, so we'll see a 0% in the score column and 100 in the coverage. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can see here is the breakdown again. 7 questions, 6 are wrong, 1 is correct. If we click back onto a question, like question 2, we will then see what the correct answer is, and now we can also click the solution button. And the solution button gives us the detailed solution to the question. And we can navigate through every question we did. We can see we've got that one wrong as well. We can look at the solution to that, and we can go and click the finish button. So here is your detailed analysis where you can see how you're doing. And again, at the end of the test, you can go and practice your weakest area if you wish, and you can click on the Start Test button to do that. So notice the difference between a practice test and a diagnostic test is that in a diagnostic test, you've got no hints, you've got no clues, there's no lesson or solution button on the screen. You have to do all the questions. At the end of it, submit your result. And after that, you can go and look at every question and see how you've done, where there'll either be a solution or a lesson for you to look at.